Has gone over the 10% positivity rate once again. Our Jay Burt listening in to that meeting earlier this afternoon. He joins us now with more on what was said. Jay.
Yeah, Kevin, the governor mentioning that White House coronavirus task force report today, and it did mention several things that Arkansas could do to reel this in. It also did mention that Arkansas was on the precipice of being overwhelming their hospital system here in the state. So some grave words there from that White House task force. And the governor totally agrees with that, but he said that the state needs to do something without rolling back some of those restrictions. The Arkansas Department of Health said they don't have any specific data that says any place or activity is a specific COVID hotspot.
This would indicate that this is widespread community transmission.
The White House Coronavirus Task Force report recommended that one thing Arkansas can do is roll back restaurant capacity back to 25%.
If you put the restrictions back down to 1/3, you would be shutting down a whole bunch of businesses.
He believes the economic damage is too much considering there's no data point specifically calling out restaurants in the numbers.
You're going to be putting a lot of them underwater, and you're going to be putting a lot of people unemployed.
Mike Moore with Alcohol and Beverage Control says regulations and guidelines will now start to be more strictly enforced.
4 months is a long time to be given warnings. And so I think what you're going to see in the coming days is when we find people that are non-compliant, there's going to be more accountability.
He said that since the end of July, the ABC has done over 3,700 inspections with a 93% compliance rate.
Even a 7% of non-compliance can cause some huge problems when it comes to this COVID-19 disease.
Dr. Jose Romero also mentioning today that a majority of deaths are coming from nursing homes. And despite that data point, Governor Hutchinson will not roll back any of those visitation guidelines for nursing homes.
I don't think we want to go back to that. But we do want to have it as careful and safely as possible. We've got some good restrictions in place.
Now, Governor Hutchinson, again, taking this time to remind Arkansans to try to limit their gatherings this holiday season, especially with Thanksgiving coming up next week. And he did say, even though it might be a little silly to some, he said, even if you're in those homes with a large amount of people and you cannot distance yourself out, you can wear a mask in your house. But he said they're not going to become the home police, but did want to encourage Arkansans to do that. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burt, Fox 16 News.